Hello and kind greetings from the Rocky Mountain Institute. In the next few minutes, I'll provide a brief overview of Mobility Innovation Lab and why you should apply. This is Chuck Ray, Senior Associate at RMI, working on mobility transformation and electric vehicle grid integration. It's a fast-moving space, as you well know. RMI is a think and do tank, deriving new frameworks and business models to transform global energy use. Now, you probably know RMI for our research, analysis, and expert guidance about energy and climate challenges. And we're also very well known for transformative convening and facilitation. So let's talk about Mobility Innovation Lab Project Accelerator coming up in August in Colorado. Mobility Innovation Lab is a new initiative within our mobility program. It's designed to address critical challenges in electrified transportation through creative thinking and problem solving. Project Accelerator specifically is a multi-day off-site workshop, convening stakeholders around specific initiatives and bringing together thought leaders and decision makers to overcome barriers standing in the way of advancing their projects. The hypothesis that guides our work is that challenges are complex and no single stakeholder is able to move forward alone. And it's through these diverse perspectives that we can derive collective innovation. This is a working meeting in which you're out of the office with your colleagues, you're focused, you're creative, and you have all the resources to derive the best solutions to take your project to the next level. An ideal project fit for Project Accelerator is one that has a known objective, is complex and perhaps not well understood, and has a high potential to lay the foundation for scale. Solely an idea or a concept isn't a great fit for this event. The type of projects we're seeking fall into the categories of electrifying fleets, innovative financing and business models, regulatory reform and rate design, EVs as distributed energy resources, and urban mobility solutions. Our facilitation methodology is built on the Social Change Lab model that illuminates the type of complexity you're dealing with and utilizes a specific mode of problem solving, whether that's social complexity in which stakeholders have diverse needs, dynamic complexity in which cause and effect are separated in time, or generative complexity in which the future is unfamiliar. Now, what you can expect in this 4-day workshop are structured working sessions to lead us along, tools and training to help conceptualize our challenges, and a unique environment of creativity that allows breakthrough thinking. Another part of the formula is cross-team learning exchange to leverage the insights from the entire cohort. And essential to the process is expertise from the field and the latest thinking in e-mobility. So stay tuned for faculty members when they're announced. To be clear, this exercise isn't about building roadmaps nor spreadsheets. It's about opening the solution space and arriving at specific action plans. So if your mobility project is complex, includes a diverse set of stakeholders, and there is urgency in taking a big step forward this year, you should consider applying. The application is simple. It takes perhaps an hour, but time is short, so if you think you have a fit, we need to hear from you soon. We'll be making project selections in May. Now, a pro tip about the application that you need to determine immediately is who is the project champion that will rally the stakeholders, and what are the challenges in your project. Note the link on the screen, rmi.org/mil-accelerator. Send us your applications as soon as possible, and we'll let you know by late May, early June at the latest, and at that point, we'll need your team's commitment before July. The final topic to touch on is price, and although this event is heavily philanthropic funded, there is a fee to defray the remaining costs. That fee is all-inclusive, other than travel to and from Aspen. So we really hope you'll be joining us in Colorado's Roaring Fork Valley in early August. It's definitely the best month to spend time in the mountains. And we'll be able to solve challenges, we'll have some fun, we'll drive innovation, and you'll go home to make impact by fall of this year. Again, rmi.org/mil-accelerator. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.